Did I give you the questions of keeping quiet, beta?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
I did not give. Elementary school classroom.
Yes, ma'am. Given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down the questions of keeping quiet first.
Ma'am, you have given the questions.
Keeping
Yes,
quiet, I
ma'am.
have given you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, so take the questions of a thing of beauty. Should I begin?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Having a register and a pen with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the first question. Write down. What kind of joy? What kind of joy does a beautiful thing provide us? What kind of joy does a beautiful thing provide us? What kind of joy does a beautiful thing provide us? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Explain. Explain. Inverted comma. Its loveliness increases. Its loveliness increases. Its loveliness increases. Cushion. Written
Yes, ma'am.
according to, third one, according to Keats, according to Keats, comma, what treasures, what treasures does a beautiful thing store for us? According to Keats, comma, what treasures does a beautiful thing store for us? Sorry. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next one, why is there an ANN single inverted inhuman dearth of noble natures? Inhuman dearth, DEARTH. dearth of noble natures. Close it and put a question mark. Why is there an inhuman dearth of noble natures? Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What, according to the poet, what, comma, according to the poet, comma, drives away the sadness from our life. What, comma, according to the poet, comma, drives away the sadness from our life. Written. What does grandeur of the domes, what does grandeur of the domes imply? IMPLY, imply. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What lovely tales have we heard or read? What lovely tales have we heard, 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 or read, READ, read? Written. Next one. What is referred to as an endless fountain of immortal drink? What is referred to as an endless fountain of immortal drink? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
How many questions?
8.
8.
8 questions. And you mark down all the textual questions. How many are there? Just see, 7 are there, I think. Just see how many are there.
7.
7 are. Mark them. Okay, beta? Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many questions I give you in keeping quiet? How many questions? Yes, Mehak. Sumesh, how many?
Ma'am, 7 additional questions and remaining textual questions.
Okay. How many were the textual? Keeping quiet.
Ma'am, total questions were 11.
Total 11 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the roadside stand, it is not coming, isn't it? Now the next poem is the last poem on Jennifer's Tigers. Okay. Now it is a very short poem and it is all about male domination that exists in the society. In this poem, Aunt Jennifer, she's always dominated by her husband, and all her life she has suffered lot of cruelties and brutalities done by her husband. Okay. Though her husband is no more, but still she's not able to rule be in peace. Why? Because every now and then she's remembered of the bitter experiences, of the bitter memories, yeah, of the bitter time that she had spent with her husband. And when the poem begins, we find that aunt, she's making tigers, on a curtain. She's making tigers and she's making free moving tigers. Okay. They are not tethered, they are not tied to any kind of chain, and even they are not afraid of the men who's standing under the tree, beneath the tree. The men are standing, but the tigers are not afraid of them. This picture she is making. Okay. And the writer says that she does not tie the tiger, she does not tether them or chain them up. Why? Because she doesn't want that the life that she had led, okay, the life that she had led with her husband, similar life any other living being should lead. समझ में आया? जो जीवन उन्होंने हस्बैंड के साथ बिताया वो नहीं चाहती कि वैसा कोई जीवन, है ना, कोई और लिविंग बीइंग अपना निकाले. इसलिए उनके ऊपर तो लॉट ऑफ कॉन्स्ट्रेंट्स वर देयर, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस वर देयर. हस्बैंड वाज वेरी डोमिनेंट. Okay. Husband was very dominant and a lot of cruelties were done on her. इतना ज़्यादा कि though husband is not alive, but still she is not able to forget. And the writer says maybe even after her death, then also her spirit won't rest in peace, as it would be always reminded of the brutalities or the tortures done by her husband, and tortures done in this male-dominated world. So the life she has led, she doesn't want that any other living being should lead such a life, and that is why she's making a free-moving tigers there, and she, in her art, okay, she's creating a world of freedom in her art, and panel of tigers, na, she's making, and green world showing, and the tigers are fearless creatures, pacing in a very elegant manner, and majestically they are moving there, and they are not afraid of anybody. Even men are there, but those tigers, they are not afraid of anyone. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? Means the life that she has been leading, she had been leading rather with her husband, वो नहीं चाहती कि वैसा जीवन कोई और जिए. तो अपने आर्ट फॉर्म में शी इज मेकिंग द टाइगर्स, एम्ब्रॉयडरी वगैरह कर रही है जो भी है ना, कर्टन्स वगैरह किसी पर भी, और उसमें शी इज मेकिंग फ्री मूविंग टाइगर्स. ओके. उनको टेथर नहीं करा, उनको बांधा हुआ नहीं है, डरा हुआ नहीं है, बड़े मैजेस्टिकली, बड़े एलिगेंट मैनर में द टाइगर्स आर मूविंग. और इवन मैन आर देयर, मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी है, लेकिन वो tigers, even they are not afraid of those men who are there. Clear? So the life that she has given to the tigers, it will go on and on. Okay, they are going to enjoy the same life, or the life that was given to her by her husband. Okay, she's going to suffer from it always, even after her death. She thinks that she would fail to release herself from the chains, okay, of all these bitter memories from her struggles, which have dominated her all her life. Clear,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll just do this poem, right? And meanwhile, you do the questions better. If you do not get the answers, WhatsApp the questions to me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and don't forget about the test. You're going to have the test also. It will be tomorrow, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
How many chapters? 2, deep water and red trap.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So be ready, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
और हम उसको कैसे करेंगे बेटा? On a school
On
app.
the school lab.
And update the school app. Updated रखना अपनी school app, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The time limit will be there. So फटाफट attempt करना. It would be all multiple choices. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many
ma'am.
questions?
Okay. Thank
Yes,
you and
ma'am.
have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
beta.
you.
God bless you.